How to explore Costa Rica on a $1,000 budget, full guide. Welcome to Costa Rica, a land teeming with lush landscapes and rich biodiversity. Known as one of the world's most beautiful spots, Costa Rica is a haven for travel enthusiasts looking for budget-friendly adventures. Today, I'm here to guide you through an unforgettable experience in this tropical paradise, all while spending just under $1,000. From economical accommodations to electrifying activities and delectable local delicacies, we have every aspect of your trip covered. First things first, let's talk about flights. A significant part of travel costs, securing affordable round-trip tickets to Costa Rica is crucial. Depending on your departure location, flights typically range between $300 and $600. Keep a vigilant eye out for deals with budget airlines to snag the best price and start your journey on the right foot. Once your flight lands in San Jose, prepare to embark on an adventure of a lifetime. Finding the right place to stay is key to keeping your trip budget-friendly. Fortunately, Costa Rica brims with affordable options, including hostels, guest houses, and budget hotels. For the socially inclined and young at heart, Selena hostels offer fun and lively atmospheres with dorm beds starting as low as $15 per night. If you prefer a cozy, family-friendly environment, consider staying at Hotel Mar de Luz in Yacor, offering delightful stays at approximately $60 per night. With such diverse and affordable options, accommodating your travel budget is a breeze. For adventure seekers, Costa Rica is nothing short of a dream destination, offering a plethora of exciting activities that won't drain your pockets. Your itinerary is about to get exciting. Imagine soaring through the lush canopies of Monteverde with a thrilling ziplining experience for just $50 to $70, a heart-pounding adventure that's absolutely worth it. Love hiking? Arenal Volcano National Park awaits your discovery for a mere $15. After a day of exploration, treat yourself to a luxurious soak in the Baldy hot springs, enjoying the serene ambience for only $40 a day. And let's not forget the iconic beaches. Stunning shores like Playa Manuel Antonio often have free access or a nominal park entrance fee, ensuring a perfect blend of relaxation and natural beauty. Now, let's turn our attention to the delightful world of Costa Rican cuisine, where flavors burst at every corner without being a strain on your wallet. A significant highlight of culinary exploration here is trying out Soda's quaint family-run eateries offering hearty traditional meals. Dive into a casado featuring rice, beans, salad, and your choice of meat or fish, all for just $5 to $8. Complement your meal with a fresh fruit smoothie for an additional $3, capturing the vibrant essence of local flavors in every sip and bite. Exploring Costa Rica's diverse landscapes doesn't have to weigh down your travel budget. Getting around is exceptionally cost-effective, with local buses providing ultra-cheap rides for $3 to $10 per trip. These buses connect you to various destinations across the country, allowing for budget-conscious exploration. For longer journeys or added comfort, shared shuttles come into play, costing between $20 and $30, ensuring both affordability and convenience. Should you wish for the freedom to explore at your leisure, consider renting a car for about $30 to $50 a day, offering an ideal balance of flexibility and cost-effectiveness. To make the most of your Costa Rican adventure on a budget, we've crafted an optimized 5-day itinerary combining thrill, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Day 1, arrive in San Jose and swiftly make your way to Monteverde for your first breathtaking ziplining experience. Day 2, delve into the wonders of the Monteverde Cloud Forest, then transfer to La Fortuna for your next set of adventures. Day 3, begin with an invigorating hike around the majestic Arenal Volcano, followed by a rejuvenating visit to the Baldy hot springs. Day 4, experience the awe of Costa Rica's waterfalls, then travel to the coastal beauty of Manuel Antonio. Day 5, dedicate your final day to the sun-kissed beaches of Manuel Antonio before returning to San Jose to wrap up your journey. Let's take a closer look at how your $1,000 can stretch to cover a remarkable week-long adventure. Accommodations, $250, $350, $300 to $400. Food, $150 $200. Transportation, $100–150. Extras, $50–100. With strategic planning and a touch of adventure, a memorable Costa Rican experience lies well within your reach, all under $1,000. In conclusion, Costa Rica offers a wealth of affordable experiences tailored for travel enthusiasts eager to explore its natural beauty and vibrant culture without exceeding their budget. We hope this guide inspires you to embark on your own Costa Rican adventure, one filled with wonder, excitement, and discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more budget-friendly travel tips and inspiration. Until the next adventure, happy travels.